Hey guys, so this is the new video of how to modify the new version of Steel and Flash version 2.1, because a lot of you in my last video in the comment section asking that the last tutorial that I make wasn't working, or I don't know. So today I'm going to show you how to modify this Steel and Flash. So first, go to Play Store, and then install the Steel and Flash, and then go to Lucky Patcher. This Lucky Patcher is the same Lucky Patcher that I used in my first video. So first, after you install this boot app, you need to long press the Lucky Patcher and go to App Info, and then allow the install unknown apps. Here you need to on that, and then the modified system settings, you need to on that too. After you done it, you go back to home screen and press the Lucky Patcher. Go to the Lucky Patcher, and then just don't allow this. Then find the Steel and Flash, long press, create modified APK file here, and then APK with multi-patch. You choose that. Then check this tree. Only this tree. Don't check this. Just the tree. And then press the rebuild. And then just follow what I'm gonna do here. Here, then press the support APK label, and then next, and then here you need to just wait. This is gonna take a while, guys, so I'm gonna cut the video until it's done. Alright, so we are done here. So if the modification was done, this will be pop up here, the tree. So next, go to file, and then uninstall and install. Press that, then you just yes, this is gonna be uninstall the original and install the modded app. So you just need to wait. Sama Fiat recommend fish on. Alright, so we are done. Just press install, and then wait again. All you do is wait. Flakta in here, Ramonon here. Alright, after that you just press launch. Alright, just allow this. And it worked, yeah. Now we are here. Let's wait. Alright, so we are here, and this is version 2.1.2. Ismanflakten near Pugan. So first thing to test, let's go to shop and then press. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, this is work. You can buy all the premium stuff. Buy, then go to armor, you can buy. Yes. 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 Fräkjana manar. Manfaat en fiat. Then add more. Yeah, you can just buy it all. You didn't need to watch me buying this all. And money, let's see if it's work. Money, yes. My purchase. And let's see in the player if it's play new game. By the way, my phone was Realme C11 2021. So if your phone was Redmi, Realme, or any Android phone like me, it's definitely gonna work. But I don't know the modern one. Okay, let's go. Poor man. Yeah, just let's say it will work. So our money was 15,000. So you can go to store and receive. Let's see if yeah, it's definitely work. Buy again and receive. So to 15,000 to 4,015,000. Alright, that's all. I hope I answer all your question, and if there is another question, just leave it in the comment section. Alright guys, that's it. Bye. Enjoy playing.